So, I finally saw the new Barbie movie. What did you think?
I thought it was great. I was really surprised by how good it was.
Me too. I was expecting a fun, but kind of vapid, movie. But it was actually really smart and funny.
I know, right? I loved how they took the Barbie character and turned her into a feminist icon.
Yeah, that was really refreshing. And Margot Robbie was amazing.
She was perfect for the role. I can't wait to see what she does next.
So, what did you think of Oppenheimer?
I thought it was really good too. But in a very different way.
Yeah, it was a lot more serious. But it was also really well made.
I know, right? Christopher Nolan is a genius.
I agree. He always makes such visually stunning movies.
And the performances were all great. Cillian Murphy was especially good.
Yeah, he was amazing. I could really feel the weight of the world on his shoulders.
I know, right? It was really powerful.
So, which movie did you like better?
That's a tough one. I really liked them both. But if I had to choose, I think I'd say I liked Oppenheimer a little bit better.
I can see why. It was definitely a more serious movie.
But I also really liked how Barbie took on a more feminist role.
Yeah, that was really interesting. I'm curious to see how it affects the franchise going forward.
Me too. I think it's a step in the right direction.
Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But in the meantime, we can both be happy that we got two great movies to watch.
Cheers to that.
So, what's next? Are you going to see any other movies soon?
I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what else comes out this year.
Me too. There are a lot of great movies coming out.
Yeah, it's a good time to be a movie fan.
Cheers to that.
So, you said you were a fan of the Barbie movie?
Yeah, I really liked it. I thought it was a lot of fun. And I loved the way they took the Barbie character and made her into a feminist icon.
I'm glad you liked it. I thought it was pretty good too, but I didn't love it as much as you did.
What didn't you like about it?
I thought it was a little too slow at times, and I didn't really like the way they handled the romance between Barbie and Ken.
I can see that. The romance was a little bit underdeveloped, but I thought the rest of the movie was really good.
Yeah, it was definitely a good movie. I just didn't love it as much as you did.
That's okay. We can agree to disagree.
Fair enough. So, what did you think of Oppenheimer?
I thought it was amazing. I loved the way Nolan told the story, and I thought Cillian Murphy was incredible.
I agree. Murphy was amazing, and Nolan did a great job of telling a complex story in a way that was both engaging and informative.
I know, right? It was such a well-made movie.
Yeah, it was definitely one of the best movies I've seen in a long time.
So, we both enjoyed the movies, but for different reasons. I'm glad we could talk about them.
Me too. It was a lot of fun discussing them with you.
Well, I should probably get going. It was great catching up with you.
You too. Let's do it again soon.
Sounds good. See you later.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.